Hello friends, welcome back to one more video. In this video, we are going to see some of the tricks that are used in multiplication. These tricks help us in obtaining a faster way of results from multiplication between two numbers. Let me get back to this concept in the next slide. Here, we are going to view the multiplication techniques by using a method called base method, and we are going to select the numbers in such a way that those numbers or those multiplicand numbers, those operating numbers in these multiplications are below the base value. Here let me start with the value of base as 10. Here we have selected the value of base as 10. So the numbers that are going to get multiplied are below the base value. That is, they are from 1 to 9. As we have chosen the value of base as 10. Let me get back to this concept. Now I have taken these two numbers 9 and 8. It's just a simple multiplications between single digit numbers, and we have all get thoroughly with these single digit multiplications in our lower classes, as we have get thoroughly with multiplications from 1 to 10 table. So it will be an easy task, but this method of multiplication will help us when we are moving over to digits. The number of digits get increased. Let me start with the single digit multiplication by taking the base value as 10. Now we have taken the number 9 and 8. So the first numbers are 9 and 8. Now let me get back to this concept. Here the value of 9 is 1 less than the base 10. The value of 9 is one value less than the base 10. Therefore here in the right hand side we are going to represent the amount of difference between the base and the number we have taken. So here it is minus 1. And the in the next number is 8. Here this number 8 is two values less than the base number, that is 10, we have taken. Now we have formed this particular table. Here let me obtain the difference between the two numbers diagonally, that is crosswise. Here the difference is 7. Similarly, if we take this 8 and minus 1, here also the difference is 7. We are just bringing back the value of 7 on the left hand side. Now this is the first step we are going to do. In the second step, we have to just multiply these two values and bring it to the bottom. So the minus 1 and to minus 2, the value will be 2. Now we have obtained the value, and the result of this multiplication 9 and to 8 is 72. Yes, we have obtained the result. Let me take the second problem that I have given in this slide, that is 8 and 7. So the first number is 8 and 7. In the left hand side we have placed these two number. On the right hand side I am going to get the difference of this number from the base that we have chosen. Here we have taken the base as 10. Therefore the difference between 8 and the base 10 is minus 2, and similarly for 7 the difference is minus 3. Now we can obtain the result. So when we in the left hand side, the value should be obtained as the difference between the diagonal or the crossed value, and this value is equal to 5. Now I have, in the next step I have to multiply these two numbers. So minus 2 into minus 3, the value will be 6. So the result here is 56. Let me get back to the last number 7 and 6. So here we have taken the two values of 7 and 6. The 7 values less than the base number by 3, and 6 values less than the base number by 4. Now we have to check the crosswise difference for these two numbers, and the value is 3. So we have placed the number 3 in the left hand side. In the right hand side we have to multiply these two numbers. Therefore the result value will be 12. Still now we have taken the results on the left right hand side value is just in a single digit, that is between 0 and 9, but here we have got two digit values, that is 12. So if it is base of 10, we just have to get only a one value at this side in the resultant value. Now as we have got two values, I am taking the left hand side value, and here we have to multiply the value on the left hand side with the base we have chosen. Here the base value is 10, therefore the value is 3 into 10, and therefore it is equal to 30. Now we have to bring the resultant obtained on the right hand side and add with this number. Therefore the answer will be 2 and 442 is the final result of this number. Let me move over to the next slide. Here I have taken the base value as 100. So from base 10, here we are going to get the multiplication in a shortcut way by through the 100 method. Here let me take the first two numbers, 99 and 97, the product between this number. We are going to multiply it and get the result. So here the base we have taken is 100, and the value of 99 is less than the 100 by value as 1. But here as we have got the base as 100, we have to represent the right hand value by two digits. Therefore this one has to be represented as 01 here. Therefore the difference is minus 01. Similarly for 97, the difference between 97 and 100 is 3. So as the base is 100, we have to represent the value as 03 minus 03. Now let me perform the same step here by obtaining the crosswise difference. The difference is 96. And here we have to product these two number, and the result we are obtaining is 09603. Therefore the result is 9603 is the answer for the multiplication between 99 and 97. Let me check this result with the calculator. 99 and 97. So now I am making the product of 99 with 97, and I have obtained the value similar to the result we have obtained in the slide, that is 9603. Okay, let me move over to the next multiplication, 96 and 98. So 96, 98, the difference is minus 4 here and minus 2 here. Yes, the difference between this number and the base 100. So the crosswise difference is 94, and when we multiply these two values, we will obtain 4 into 2, 8. Therefore the answer is 9408. 96 and 98, the product value will result in 9408. Let me check it with the calculator. 96 and 98, the product between 96 and 98. 96 into 98, the value is 9408. Yes, correct. Let me take the last number here, that is 89 and 88. 89 multiplied with 88. Here the difference is quite high. The difference between 100 and 89 is 11, so we are taking it as minus 11, and the difference between 100 and 88 is 12, so we are taking it as minus 12. The crosswise difference between these two numbers is 77. Yes, it's correct. Now I have to multiply 11 and 12. We have to multiply it either by using the same base method, or we can just take this value as 12 into 10 plus 1. So the value will be 120, and 12, the answer will be 132. Here I have put the result as 132. Since we have the values as 2 units, 2 digits here there is an extra 1 unit. Therefore, in order to bring back to this value on this side, we have to multiply the left hand side value with the base here. Therefore, the base we have taken is 100. So when multiplying 77 with 100, we will be getting the result 7700. Now I have to bring this value 132 and add this value. Therefore, we will obtain 2, 3, 8 and 7. So this is the final answer. Let me check this answer of product of 89 and 88. So 89 into 88, the answer is 7832. Yes, we have obtained the same value here. Let me move on to the next thing. Here we have taken the base value as 1000. So let me multiply these two value and obtain the result. We have just increased our base from 10, 100. Now it is 1000. We have moved over to 1000. So let me take these two numbers, 998 and 997. So from 1000, this value is 2 less than this value 998 and 3 less than 997. Therefore, we have to take this value as minus 002, since we are taking the base as 1000 and considering these three zeros. Here it is minus 003. Therefore, the value will be, we have to calculate the crosswise difference. It is 995. Yes, different between 8 and 3 it is 5, between 7 and 2 it is 5, and we have to multiply these two values. So here we have obtained 6. Therefore the answer is 995006. Let me check with the calculator. 998 into 997, 998 into 997. So the answer is 995006. Let me check. Yes, here we have obtained the result as 995006. Now we are going to handle a different situation. Now at this point we have got two different numbers, 123 and 999. So in order to handle this difference, it is a huge difference. We have to subtract this value from 1000 and we have to obtain the result. In order to obtain most notable shortcut for subtracting 1000 from 123, the difference value between 123 and 1000, we can just implement another task, that is taking the difference of 9 from all. Taking here I am going to use a shortcut technique, taking difference 9 for all numbers, but here for the last digit we are going to make the difference as 10. In this way we can obtain the difference between 1000 and the given number. So here the number given is 123. So the difference value is, for each digit we are going to subtract it with, for each value we are going to subtract it with 9, and the final value we are going to subtract it with 10. So therefore we can quickly obtain the differences 8, 7 and 7. So this is the difference value. We can check it with the calculator. Difference between 1000 and 123. 1000 and 123. The difference is 877. Yes. In this way we can quickly obtain the number for which the difference is quite shorter than the base. Let me move over to this sum. Here we have 123 and 999. So the difference is 8, 7, 7. Here the difference is 001. So the product value will be, the difference here is 122. And when we multiply these two numbers, we will get the answer as 877 into 1877. Therefore, the answer for this number product is 122877. Let me check the answer with the calculator. 123 multiplied by 999. The answer is 122877. Yes, we have obtained the same result there. Let me move over to the next thing. Here they have given the number as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 9. 4 nines are there. Here the difference, we can calculate the difference value as subtracting 9 from all these things and subtracting 10 from here. So the value will be 8, 7, 6 and 6. So this is the difference between the given base 1000 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the difference value is, we have to put minus. Here the difference value is 1. Now subtracting this value, we will be getting 1233, and product of this value will result in 8766. So this will the final result of the multiplication, 1233 8766. Let me check it with the calculator. 1234 multiplied with 1234 multiplied with 9 4 nines, 12338 12338 In this way, we have obtained the methods which portray a faster way to calculate the value of product between two numbers using the base values. So in the next slide, we are going to see the multiplication that involves the same base method, but the values above the base, but the values of the two numbers that we have taken are above the base. Let me check the product between these two numbers. First, I have taken 12 and 13. Here we can take the base as 10. These two numbers are always greater than 10. So that is the meaning of this number base method above the base. So let me take the first two numbers 1, 2 and 1, 3. Here the base value is 2 more than 10. Here the base value is 3 more than 10. So here we have to add these two numbers instead of taking the difference. Therefore the result here is 15, and when we multiply these two numbers we will get 6. Therefore the answer is 156. Let me check with this answer. 12 into 13. Yes, we have obtained 156. Let me take the next number. 18 and 19. So 1819. This number is 8 more than 10. This number is 9 more than 10. So we have to take additions of these crosswise values. It will result in 18 plus 9 or 19 plus 8. The answer will be 27. And when we product these two numbers, we are getting 72. Here what I have to do in order to bring this 7 here, I have to multiply this number with the base 270, and after that I have to bring this value 72. So the answer will be 214, remaining 1. The answer will be 342. Let me check the product of these two numbers 18 and 19. 18 multiplied with 19, the answer is 342. Yes. Definitely we have obtained a better way of shortcut. Now let me move over to the next number. It is 101 cross 101, 101 cross 101. These are very easy. Here 1 more than the given number. Here we have to take the base value as 100. Therefore I have to put this value as 0 1. Here also it is 1 more than the given number. Therefore multiplying these two will result in 0 1, and crosswise addition we will get 102. Therefore the answer will be 102 0 1. This is 101 into 101 value. Similarly, we can obtain the value for other multiplications. So 102 cross 102, how we have to do? This is 2 more than the given base. This is also 2 more than the given base. So therefore the answer will be, when we add these two values, it is 104, and when we product these two number, it is 04. The answer is 10404. Similarly for 103, 103 it is plus 03 more than the 100 value. It is also plus 03 more than the 100 value. So crosswise addition will give 106, and multiplication of these two number will result in the answer as 09. Therefore the product of these two number value is here. Similarly, if we take 111 111, so it is 11 more than the given value, given base 100. Therefore we have plus 11 and plus 11. When we add these two, we will get 122, and when we multiply these two values, how I have to take this? 11 into 10 plus 1. Therefore 110 plus 11, it is 121. So it is one digit more than the base 100. Therefore we have to multiply this 122 with 100, and after that we bring back this value of 121 and add those two values. It will result in 1 2 3 2 and 1. Let me check this answer of 111 multiplied with 111. 111 multiplied with 111, the answer is 12321. Yes. Let me move over to the next problem. Here we have 1006 and 1009. I have taken this example for taking the number above base 1000. It is 6 more than 1000. It is 9 more than 1000. Therefore the value will be 006 and 009. Since it is 1000, we have to take 3-digit values on the right hand side. So when I take the addition of the crosswise values, it is 1015. 6 plus 9, it is 15, and multiplying these two value, it will result in 6 9s are 54. So 4054. So the answer will be 1015054. Let me check. 1006 multiplied with 1009, the answer is 1015054. Yes. So in this way we can obtain multiplication in a much faster way. For faster multiplication between number, we can definitely use the base methods. So here in the last few minutes, we have taken the base method, which involves either the two numbers are above the base value or below the base value. So these are the things that we have dealt with so far. Let me move over to the next slide. So here I have come up with a faster way of multiplications by the same base method. Here one of the number is above the base and the other number is below the base. In this way we have taken, or we have devised the product values here. Let me move over to the first product, that is 15 and 8. Here 15 is let me take the base as 10. 15 is 5 values more than the base 10, and 8 is 7 values less, 2 values less than the base. So this is how this product will result. Here we can take either a subtraction or an addition. both will give the same result. So 15 minus 2 it will give 13, 8 plus 5 it will also give 13. Therefore there is no problem over here. But here when we multiply with plus and minus value, we will be obtaining a value of a negativeness, that is minus 10 over here. So definitely we have to bring this minus 10 over this value. Therefore we have to multiply with the left hand side value with the base that we have taken, that is 10, and therefore it will result in 130, and we have to subtract this value of 10 from here, and the result will be 120. Therefore the product of 15 and 8 will give a value of 120. Let me check. 15 into 8, the product value is 120. So this is how we have to deal with problems that involves the numbers, the two multiplicand values that are given, which is one value above the base and the other value is below the base. Let me take the next problem. 17 and 9. Here we have taken the same base 10, therefore it is 7 above the base 10 and it is one value below the base 10. Therefore either it can be a sum or difference crosswise. It will give the same value on the left hand side, that is 16, and when we multiply these two number it will give minus 7. Therefore in order to subtract this minus 7 from this value, we have to multiply 16 with the base 10, 160, and subtract this 7. Therefore the answer will be 153. So 17 into 9 will give the result as 153. Let me check. 17 into 9, the answer is 153. Yes, it's definitely correct. So this is how we can fastly implement multiplication by using the base method. Let me check with the other number, 102 and 99. Here we have to take the base value as 100. It is this 102 is 2 more than the base values, therefore 100, therefore it is 0 2 only. As we have taken 100, we have to include only 2 digit on the left hand side, and here it is 1 less than the base value, that is minus 0 1. Therefore the answer will be it can be either a crosswise difference or a crosswise addition. It will give the value as 99 plus 2 101, or 102 minus 1 101, and multiplication of these two number will give the value as minus 2. We have to subtract this number, therefore I have to multiply this 101 with the base value, it is 100, and after that I have to subtract this value of 2. Therefore here 10 minus 2 it is 8, here 9, therefore we have to bring back 9, here 0, and here also 0 and 1. Therefore the answer is 10098. Let me check the answer whether it is 10098 or not. 102 with 99, 102 with 99, the answer is 10098 is correct. Similarly we can solve the other problem also. Let me take the final problem. 1026 and 998. Here, as after seeing this number, we will be definitely confirming the base value as 1000. It is 26 value more than the base, and here it is 2 unit less than the base. So when we take the crosswise difference or crosswise addition, the answer will be 1024. And here when we multiply this 26 with 2, it will be 52. So minus 052. So I have to subtract from this value, as it is base is 1000. I have to put 3 zeros at the bottom value, and after that I have to subtract the value of 52. Here when I take this 4 here, over here and over here, it will be 10, here it will be 9 9, so here it will become 3. So 10 minus 2 it is 8, 9 minus 5 it is 4, here 9 and 3, 2, 0 and 1, 1 0 2 3, 9 4 8 will be the answer. Let me check it with 1026 into 998. 1026 into 998. The answer is 1023948. 1023948. Thus, we have given here the multiplication faster tricks. This will definitely help in exams when we deal with numbers that are quite far, having a large number of digits, and we have to obtain the product value fastly. Once we have to obtain and solve a variety of different problems, and we have to obtain large values of multiplication between two numbers that involves a huge number of digits, we can definitely go with the faster way of multiplication by using this base method. So in this video we have seen the multiplication by base method, which involves the numbers that are both the numbers are above the base value, both the numbers are below the base value, and both the two numbers that are given, one of the number is above the base and the other number is below the base. We have dealt with variety of this problem, and these problems and the method of solving these problems will definitely give you a greater hand in solving multiplication much more faster than the usual way that we took over for obtaining the product between two numbers, that too for numbers having a greater number of digits. I hope this video will be a much useful one for you all, and thank you so much for listening. Kindly support us our channel by subscribing, give your useful comments in order to get all the videos in your pocket from our channel. Click the bell icon and get notified. Thank you so much for listening.